Sticky and viscous. Why is this much more expensive than this COSRX Snail Mucin essence? In my opinion, these two products. Hello annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place to find out all the Korean beauty info in one eye. Have you tried this viral Mixsoon bean essence yet? I've been meaning to try this and finally got my hands on it. People have been asking me about this product. Since I like this COSRX Snail Mucin essence, I've been really curious about this vegan alternative, I'd say. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a very honest review on this. This video is not sponsored, so I'm going to be completely honest, just like my rest of other reviews. So let's get this going. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Let's start with today's main product, Mixsoon Bean Essence. A multi-award winner and a bestseller on Amazon. People say that this essence is the vegan alternative of this COSRX Snail Mucin essence because of its similar texture. Sticky and viscous, using a vegan ingredient, beans, instead of the snail. So, is this really that simple? A vegan alternative of Snail Mucin? Well, I first thought that way as well before I started using it and done more research on this product and the brand Mixsoon. The brand Mixsoon differentiates itself to other brands as they are a minimalistic brand using only a few essential ingredients. In fact, in this bean essence, there's only 4 ingredients, and in most of their other products, it contains 100% of just 1 ingredient. And some of their ingredients, including the beans used in this essence, are grown on their own farm. This essence's main ingredient, soybean, is grown on a farm in Jeju Island in South Korea and extracted for over 72 hours in low heat to maintain all the nutrients in the ingredient and increase the efficacy of absorbency. As this absorbs so well, it can be used as 2-in-1 essence and exfoliant. According to the CEO of Mixsoon, this product was not intentionally created as 2-in-1 product. It was originally created as just an essence, but one of the makeup artists who was close to him, she discovered, or she or he, I just call it she discovered that this works as an exfoliant as well. Apparently, she was very much impressed by the absorbency of this essence and its nourishing feel on the skin, so she's just been massaging it for a long time on her own face and discovered all the impurities, dead skin cells, blackheads and whiteheads, basically all the gunks coming out from her face. So she tried out this product on her clients, mainly Korean celebrities, to cleanse their faces before makeup and noticed a huge difference before and after. That is how this product became famous, through word of mouth by makeup artists and celebrities. Now marketed as a 2-in-1 product, essence and exfoliant. This is a lightweight essence with a sticky glue-like formula that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a luxurious richness without any stickiness. It contains only 4 ingredients: soybean ferment extract, which is highly antioxidant with multiple skin benefits like improving skin's moisture balance. It's anti-inflammatory, improves skin tone and boosts skin elasticity and firmness, as the soybean contains compounds like peptides and amino acids. This also contains 3 other fermented ingredients: fermented barley, another highly antioxidant ingredient that strengthens your skin barrier, and fermented pomegranate and pear juice, which helps to boost fertility and restore your skin's oil and moisture balance. This essence feels nourishing, luxurious, and delicate without any fragrance. So you see that this essence is not as sticky as it looks, and it contains 4 great skin benefiting ingredients. That's it. Nothing else, just 4 fermented ingredients, and its packaging is so simple. So why is this much more expensive than this COSRX Snail Mucin essence? In my opinion, these two products are incomparable. Other than the fact that both of these contain sticky and viscous texture, there is nothing similar. This Mixsoon bean essence is a delicate product with 4 fermented ingredients, including fermented soybeans grown on their farm. Mixsoon calls themselves a premium Korean skincare brand for glass skin. Even though they are not the top premium luxury brands like Seolhwasu or History of Who, it sits above the mainstream affordable brands as they are not factory produced, if you get what I mean. It seems like their products are meticulously produced using the ingredients grown on their farm. The CEO of Mixsoon prides his brand as a brand that can tell the story of the entire production. Right from the start, how their ingredients are grown on their farm through to extraction to formulation, as it seems like they do all that themselves. Mixsoon is a minimalist brand that adds only a few high quality ingredients in its products. So their production costs must be high, meaning that the cost of their products has to go up. Opposed to this, COSRX is a mainstream brand recently taken over by Amopacific, Korea's largest cosmetics company. It's targeted at the masses who are looking for an effective and affordable product. There is nothing wrong with that. It's just a bigger company with more buyers. That's why they can keep the cost lower. The production background of these two brands are completely different. That was a long explanation of why the prices are so different on these two products. I like both, to be honest, for different reasons. This COSRX Snail Mucin essence is much more hydrating than this bean essence. My dry skin absolutely loves this for that reason, but this bean essence is more rich, nourishing, and luxurious. This has other benefits like in control sebum level while still moisturizing, and it easily removes dead skin cells and blackheads. So yes, this essence can be also used as an exfoliant as mentioned earlier, and it comes with a kind instruction. So this is the instruction, one side in Korean and the other in English. As it's quite long, I'm just going to read a bit of it for you. So after wash, take the proper amount of bean essence by 3 to 5 pumps. Massage the face with essence at least 2 minutes for better absorption. Roll essence on your face for at least 2 minutes by using whole fingers until dead skin cell, blackhead, sebum particles come out of your skin. When you can feel the particles, add more bean essence and massage by the tip of the fingers in a circular movement for 5 minutes. Wash off your skin with water and feel smooth skin texture. I think spending 2 to 5 minutes to exfoliate your skin sounds much too long, but it's effective. I think this is a much better option than using a face scrub or anything with tiny grains in them, as those grains may scratch your skin. In conclusion, is this a good product? Would I recommend it? Whether you're a vegan or not, if you like skincare and you're serious about your skin and want to invest a bit without breaking the bank, then I think this is worth it. It's a well-formulated product using only 4 fermented vegan ingredients. It's gentle on the skin, filled with highly antioxidant ingredients, so it'll be suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and troubled skin. So it's a yes for me, yes. If you're interested in shopping for any of the products I mentioned in today's video, all the shopping links will be down in the information section below, so go and check them out. And please leave a comment. Which products from Mixsoon have you tried or would like to try? I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next Korean beauty video. Annyeong!